Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. My all-time favorite seafood is scallops. Whew. I love their delicate flavor and I enjoy them either as an appetizer like in my scallop pineapple ceviche, in sashimi called otategai, or as a main course in my sauteed scallops with beurre blanc. Oof. Yummy! During the coldest months, this is another way that I enjoy them. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Bay Scallop Chowder. It is a very easy recipe to make and perfect during this time of year. With tasty ingredients, this is an elegant dish that is nice to serve during the holidays or on any special occasion. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a large deep skillet, we'll add the bacon pieces and then we'll set the heat on medium. We'll saute it for 7 minutes or until it just starts browning. To this, we'll add red onions and carrots. We'll give a quick stir before sprinkling on some ground sea salt. We'll cook the ingredients for 3 minutes, stirring often. If there's not enough fat in a skillet, add about half a tablespoon of clarified butter. That should help. So a few minutes later, we'll add celery and red peppers. Once again, we'll saute the ingredients for another 3 minutes. Next, we'll pour in some clam juice as well as chicken broth. We'll stir, increase the heat to high, and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, we'll add our red potatoes, combine them with the rest of the ingredients, cover, reduce the heat back to medium, and cook for 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are almost tender. The best way is to take a fork, and if it goes in easily with a slight resistance, they're almost done. Now, we'll pour in some heavy cream, then season with white pepper, smoked paprika, and Old Bay seasoning. We'll stir until well blended, and when the mixture simmers again, we'll cover and cook for 3 minutes. When time is up, we'll add our Bay scallops. Now, because we're using the frozen ones, there will be some juice from it, and we'll add this as well to the chowder. Come on, it adds more flavor. And we'll also add lemon zest. We'll combine them into the mixture and cook until the scallops turn opaque. Not more than a couple minutes, otherwise if we cook them longer, they will become rubbery. And that's not the texture we're looking for. Next, the last ingredient we'll add is fresh chopped dill. We'll stir once again, remove from the heat, and serve immediately with crusty bread. And my friends, this is our Bay Scallop Chowder. What an amazing, flavorful dish. It's not only easy and tasty, but comforting as well. Usually served as an appetizer, you can always have this as a main course as well. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!